Alright, here we have a German model 1888 Commission rifle. A lot of people mistakenly call this the 1988 or 1888 Mauser. It's not. It was a rifle picked by a German Commission in 1888. This one here is a Danzig 1891. It's a bolt action rifle with a 5-shot mag. The early ones had a in-block clip like the Carcanos and all them, but they were modified later on. There's a version, I think, of 1905 and 1914. I'm not quite sure what this is. The dust cover is missing. Part of the modification was they placed a dust cover here, and then they welded on or soldered some tabs so you can use stripper clips. The Mannlicher style magazine system was gone, and there's also a little metal, spring-loaded metal catch, so you can actually load single bullets into it. The original ones were, the groove diameter was 318. The 8mm, the newer version, like for the 98s, was a 324, and you see a little S stamped on the receiver, meaning that it's been rebarreled for the newer ammo. It's got a metal jacket over the barrel, and this one here is just an average grade. It's got a worn bore, but it's not too terrible. So let's go and put some rounds down range and see what it does. And we're going to shoot at 50 yards today because I think there's an event on 100-yard range. I may get out and shoot this at 100 yards, but not today. Today we're going to do it at 50 yards. Okay, like I said, this has been modified. Stripper clips down in there. Pretty smooth bolt action rifle, pretty simple. That was my non-corrosive Portuguese ammo from the 70s. I have some corrosive Egyptian 8mm I bought years ago that, even though it's corrosive, it seems to be more accurate ammo in all my 8mm guns. So we'll shoot the two of them side by side and go down, and we'll take a look and see how they did. Actually, for an old beat up old gun, it shoots pretty damn good. Okay, let's go take a look. Okay, here's our non-corrosive Portuguese ammo. I bought that a while back. Comes in a white box on stripper clips. And it's non-corrosive, surefire ammo. It's nice stuff. But in all my 8mm, I noticed that accuracy isn't 100%. Now when we go over here is the Egyptian corrosive ammo. And as you can see, it's pretty accurate. The stuff shoots well in any 8mm I have. Even this old gun still shoots pretty good. The bore's clean, it's not pitted, but the rifling looks worn. The gun's been used, but still, even though we're at 50 yards, it's still a good group. We'll try to get it out to 100 in a couple weeks and see what it does there.